Hi guys, Alex here again. Welcome back to our live tour. We're now here with Diagnostic Cytology, also on the 14th floor, and I'm going to hand things over to our faculty member to tell you about the program.
Hi, welcome to the Diagnostic Cytology program. I'm Gulrukh and I teach this program. Cytology is all about looking at cells under a microscope, and what we're looking for something like cancer. We get cells from all different body sites, and our primary job is to sit on the microscope screen, look for cells. So if you look at the screen up there, we have a cell that is infected by the human papilloma virus, and this screen is actually connected to a camera which is inserted in the microscope, and we find this as an opportunity to discuss, to collaborate and discuss cases in a group setting. We also have those double-header microscopes there where we sit on a one-to-one format.
I just took 5 because I was health science at the University of Ottawa.
That's pretty much it.
Yeah, so it's
So over to Ayana and Raven. These are our second-year students.
Here, I'll ask you a couple questions just about the program. So I think we're going to start with you. What do you find unique about diagnostic cytology?
What I find unique about diagnostic cytology is we are able to look at normal cells and differentiate them from malignancies, and also we get to see different types of organisms too that are infecting the people, or depending on the cell type or the area where it's located. And also the good thing about it is also you work on your own, and you basically look at the microscope and you get to screen and basically take your time with it and just see what the cells are there.
And then another question, what do you find unique about this program compared to other university programs?
Well, Michigan in general, I really like that the programs are actually just a lot smaller, so you kind of get that more one-on-one time with the professor, and you can actually feel a bit more comfortable asking questions and learning, as well as there's a lot more practical components. So not only do we learn the theory, but we can actually logically apply it in a controlled setting so that it really kind of cements what you're learning.
And just one more question, if you don't mind. Is there anything that surprised you since entering this program, just about the program or working in health sciences, or something you weren't really expecting? Not to put you on the spot.
That's what I did.
I might want to add, like from what I've heard from the students in the past years, is they did not think there would be a lot to learn and apply within a very short period of time. So as I said, they start off with like not knowing what a normal cell looks like, and in a very short duration they get to very advanced concepts. So I guess that would be a challenge and a surprise. Thank you for being here. Like have a look around. We have all these like setups with cells on the microscopes, and then there's a display board there that actually explains what those cells are.
Cervical cells?
Sorry, Megan, that's what I meant. And like, don't stress.
And she basically told us you're not watching it.
This past year, when I just got it, the first year it was 5 minutes, and it flew by. So I think they
That's cool, HPV testing.
because it is a lot easier. But honestly, I would like to look through the questions. A lot of them are very like kind of common sense. So I wouldn't stress about like studying or anything. Just like having a few ideas. Okay. Even one that was like
She was asking
there's a bunch of words on the table and three that define you. Oh, okay. There's like there are both like I wouldn't stress. It's like a key
That's true. And we'll make you get used to it. Like the first week when you start.
Sorry, it was like a puzzle. I
first
knew the
week when you
picture. She
start,
didn't have it.
right.
You have to talk about it. It's a lot more relaxed. And I think it sounds. She's like MMR. Like what? What does that mean? Well, that's the thing, right? Or like very academic questions where I have to study up on my child. I didn't know. Don't stress it. Don't stress about that. But yeah, this is a really good program. I like it's a lot more independent.
For 7 hours.
So you're really only in the lab here for like a week, once a month. The rest is all based off of the computer. So you'll learn everything, and then you'll come in and put your practice.
What are you guys looking at?
So we're just looking at a slide, which is a double-headed review, where me and my professors would actually look one-on-one after we've screened the slide individually in a microscope. basically what we use is we use an adding on top of the cells we're interested in, and then we just diagnose them and say what we feel the cells are. We look at this chromatin pattern, the nucleus, and we look at our criteria, which we use to diagnose whether it's a normal cell or an abnormal cell. And the unique feature of this is, if I'm the professor, I get to drive it, which is basically moving from side to side, go around everywhere. And then there's also a dotting stuff too, where it's like an arrow, where I can point at a specific part of a cell. I don't know, it's not working. And I think this is a thyroid.
In a hospital setting.
Well, it's mostly like how to check your diagnosis. So usually when there's nothing wrong on the marker.
Alright, so that concludes our tour with Diagnostic Cytology. Again, we'll take a short break and then be back on the live video.